What's up, guys? Steve here with Get Torque. We're trying to finish replumbing all of our intercooler stuff. We had a lot of boost leaks after the swap, so a lot of the stuff just showed up from Amazon today, and we're gonna put it in. That's where we're at. What's up? I'll build out the front first. Yeah, that's from when the door flew open.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out. Oh, it broke from the door flying open?
Yeah.
What do you mean flew open?
Like,
just flew open.
Shut the door all the way out, and then they said 3, 2, 1, go, and the door flew open.
It looks like the fender kind of got pushed down.
Yeah, something got fucked up over there, that's for sure. Oh yeah, this is gonna take a while.
Yeah, I honked at you and Jake the one day and you both just stood here like...
Oh, we were waiting for you to come back.
What time can I leave? When you're done?
What you gotta get
I was gonna pick up Olive Dale.
starting to feel the lactic acid. Going like a millimeter aside, back and forth.
Need some vice grips. Been off already.
It's getting there.
Just grab it.
Yeah, still.
Like I've done that a long time ago. The 10 mil. Gone.
Oh, we're in the hose pump.
Yeah, it's right there.
Yikes. Should probably stop calling him that. Just saying.
Oh, fuck yeah.
That's the rotation that we needed. Need to run a full straight there though. There's one. Just this flat and straight one. Jim Mustang. Oh, it's freaking 370, alright.
Pop, pop.
Chevy or Ford?
Pop, pop.
Sounded like a Mustang, didn't it?
I don't know.
Doesn't sound like an LS.
Doesn't sound like it kind of does.
You think?
I think it does.
That thing was a work of art.
I don't know.
Maybe it kind of sounds like a Chevy truck, like a junkyard engine.
That's what I'm used to hearing. All the LS.
Yeah.
Parts car. Parked storage. Inventory.
This isn't even going to be the long-term permanent. This is just like another fucking temporary
Got some cutting going on.
chips.
Just melts.
Throwing hot chips everywhere.
Yummy.
Doesn't really cut.
Should be used to hot flying chips everywhere. Talking about.
But aluminum, it like hits you with like chips. It's not just like sparks.
It's like pieces of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, hates it.
What is more important? this thing got bent. We were jumping on the bumper to try and replicate the issue we were having with that coil at the last race, and the hood bent this in half, so the hood was like this. Then we straightened it, and now it's too straight to like fit where it's supposed to go, because it used to have a little kink in it.
So too straight.